Am I the only one that didn't know cleaning could be this easy? Well, check this out. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Need to tackle dust, dirt, and debris? No problem. This little powerhouse is perfect for quick cleanups everywhere. Carpets, hardwood floors, upholstery, you name it. Its multi-surface cleaning capability has you covered. And guess what? It's lightweight and cordless, making it super convenient. No more dragging around heavy vacuums or searching for outlets. Just grab, clean, and go. Whether it's a small mess or a big spill, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster is designed for efficiency. Keep your space spotless with ease. Say goodbye to dirt and hello to a cleaner home with BLACK+DECKER.